Hello everyone, hey, hope you're having a great day. Ed Fontes here. Check it out, I'm working from home. We're all hunkered down and we're still meeting with clients on closings and signings when we need to and when we can, and when the title company, escrow companies allow that opportunity, folks. Hey, stay healthy, be blessed out there. We're praying for everyone. We all need to pray and lift it up to Him to help us with what's going on with our country. Hey, look what I have! The crystal ball. Look at that. What's the crystal ball saying today? Hey, there's no such thing as a crystal ball, folks. I remember last year people were telling me, Ed, I'm going to wait till prices come down. I'm going to wait till interest rates come down. I'm going to wait till whatever comes down. And the folks, hey, the economy has been the strongest, and as of February, it was the strongest we've ever seen in years, folks, right? It's the strongest we've ever seen in years. And what's going on? Sunday we had the calls, Ed, the rates dropped to 0%. Folks, the Feds dropped their rates from 0 to 0.25%, depending on what it is. What does that mean to us? Nothing. The Fed's rates dropped those rates in order to help businesses, banks, overnight loans to banks, commercial loans, credit cards, auto loans, the prime rate, those of you that have equity lines of credit. That's who it's helped. And the reason is because the Feds are trying to help the economy stay stronger and helping these types of situations that are occurring right now. Mortgage-backed securities is where everyone gets their money from for home loans. The Fed's rates have no effect on mortgage-backed securities. Folks, the Fed's rates have no effect on our mortgage loans, mortgage interest rates. So I want to clear that up for everyone, first of all. Secondly, when we're seeing right now, in the last 2 weeks, interest rates go skyrocket. 3 weeks ago, if you saw me, if we talked, if we were locking you in, we locked people in at 2.5% on 15-year loans, folks. That ain't happening no more. 2.75, 2.875, 3%, 3.25. We've locked people in on 30-year fixed rate loans. That ain't happening no more. Cal Halfa, we locked a client yesterday at 3.75. That rate today is 5.25. Ouch! That's the first-time homebuyer program. Ouch is right. That, you know how much that eliminates people that were trying to qualify for that first-time homebuyer program that could no longer afford that home that they're in? Yes, folks, that's how much it's affected. We've seen rates just, regular rates in the fives, and a lot of them, some of the good people, good FICO scores, good debt ratios, those that were refinancing that have a lot of equity, those that were doing with purchases, they're putting a lot down, those guys are getting the rates. Some of those rates are in the high threes or low fours, depending on where you stand. So what happened? What happened? Well, you're likely to see announcements all over the news that the Fed is going to providing relief and stimulus. We've already heard that, folks, right? Where does this money come from? It's got to come from somewhere. And the way the Treasury does this is they issue treasuries, T-bills. You've seen all that for sale. The market has to absorb all this additional supply, which is pressuring yields, which in turn is pressuring mortgage-backed securities lower. We get our money from mortgage-backed securities, MBSs. When I say the MBSs are lower, that means interest rates are higher. So right now we see a leveling off. You can see my screen in the back here. We're trying to keep an eye on what's going on in the market. We're also trying to keep you informed as I'm providing this video to you as well. So the bottom line is what we've seen in the past and what we've said in the past is you need to be ready. You need to get off, time to jump off the fence. Those of you that are thinking of buying, you should already be in the system and be ready, because guess what's going to happen? The Fed's injected $500 billion, or injecting $500 billion into our treasuries with the capital B. They're also injecting $200 billion with the capital B in our mortgage-backed securities. That is huge, folks. Guess what's going to happen? We're going to eventually see rates drop. But what I keep telling everybody is time to jump out the fence. Those of you that have been with me and did jump are very lucky right now to have those low interest rates that we've closed in the past, and just based on what we had in February and 3 weeks ago, folks, the first week of March. Now, this is a prime example of why you needed to be in. And all of a sudden now we're getting the calls to come, hey, I want that 0% interest rate. Sorry, you're not getting that zero. That's the Fed's rates. But we need to get you in and be ready for the next time that these rates are going to start coming down, right? We need to be ready. What's going to happen? We don't know. We don't have the crystal ball from the Feds of where we're coming from, folks. There's no crystal ball. The only thing we can say is any time is a great time to purchase as long as you buy it right. As long as you qualify. You're still going to get the write-off. Those of you that know me and have worked with me in the past, you're living wonderful right now for having the opportunity for the write-offs that you have for the property taxes and the interest on the mortgage that you're getting, that's helping you at the end of the year as well, that you didn't have in the past. Folks, time to jump out the fence. Give us a call. We're going to help you today and get the book, The Ultimate Guide to Finding the Perfect Home Loan, guys, by yours truly, Amazon.com. Get the book, folks. This has helped a lot of clients. I have a lot of agents purchasing this book for their clients, basically. Hey, even if you don't utilize my services, folks, this is the guide to help you prepare yourself. I've had move-up buyers purchase this book, and they've learned some things that they still didn't know about, even though they've been a homeowner for a couple of years, quite a few years, folks. Get the book. Help yourself. You agents out there, help your clients. The Ultimate Guide to Finding the Perfect Home Loan by yours truly, folks. Hey, and we put our money where our mouth is. If we can't close your transaction, we'll pay you $15,000. Yes, $15,000 and $20,000 to first responders. We put our money where our mouth is. We pre-approve you, and if we can't close it, that's how we're going to reward you for utilizing our services, folks. Get the book. Give us a call. Apply online, www.edfontes.com, and we will get in touch with you. Our team is ready and willing and able to help you achieve the American dream of home ownership. Woohoo! Or to refinance. Give us a call, 916-712-8509. Have a great day. Be blessed. Stay healthy. Talk to you soon.